Now we are going to start second question, but before that, here I have written. Uh, Here I did mistake. Not mistake means instead of 8 here is 18. Okay. Now see question number 2. That is question number 2. So what is this? You have to find the constant of variation and write the equation of variation for each of the examples given below. Clear? So you have to find out, sorry, you have to find out constant of variation and you have to write the equation of variation. Clear? So what will be there? The first question is there, p proportional to 1 upon q. If p is equal to 15, then q is equal to 4. Clear? So you have to find out constant of variation first of all. So what is written here? Since p proportional 1 upon q. Clear? So therefore p is equal to k upon q. Okay, where k is constant. Okay, where k is constant. So now therefore pq is equal to k. Clear? Therefore pq is equal to k is the equation of variation. Clear? So this is the equation of variation. Now you have to substitute whatever value of p and q is given. Clear? Because you find out you have to get value of k. So substituting p is equal to 15 and q is equal to 4. So therefore what? pq is equal to k na, so 15 into 4 is equal to k. Clear? So what will be there? Therefore k is equal to 60. Okay, so k is equal to 60 and equation of variation implies that what? pq is equal to 60. Clear? pq is equal to 60. So this is the equation of variation. Is the equation of variation. Okay, and k is equal to what? And k is equal to 60. This is constant of variation. Clear? So you got here what you have to find out. Clear? So this completed. Now and this border I am making because in this page I didn't meet and I thought it will good, but it's not good. Clear? So clear. Now you see this question completed. तो आपका ये फर्स्ट पार्ट completed. Now you come to second it was first part, so it was first part. Okay, so first part completed. Now you come to second part. Second is what? That is z proportional 1 upon w. Z proportional 1 upon w. Clear? So what will be there? Therefore z is equal to k upon w. Z is equal to k upon w. K is constant. Clear? K is constant. So we can say therefore zw is equal to k. Clear? Is the equation of variation. Okay, so this is the equation of the variation. Now substituting whatever values is given, that you substitute. What? Z is equal to 2.5 and w is equal to 24. Both are given. Clear? So z is equal to 2.5 and w is equal to 25, it is given. So then after we will replacing these value, substituting these values, we will find out value of k. हाँ, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore z 2.5 into w is what? W is 24 is equal to k. Therefore 2.5 into 24, that is what? 2.4 into 5 into 24. So 25 4 is 100. Now 10 is there. 25 to the 50. 50 10 60. Clear? Is equal to k. So k is equal to 60. Answer k is equal to 60. Okay, and you have to find out equation also. Putting value of k in equation. What? Equation 1. So क्या हो जाएगा? ZW is equal to this is the equation 1. ZW is equal to k and k is equal to what? 60. So this is the okay. So this is the equation of variation. What? Equation of variation. Clear? So this is the final answer. Okay, now second question also completed. Now you have to do third one. So what will be third question? So third will be there. S proportional 1 upon t square. Okay, S proportional 1 upon t square. S proportional 1 upon t square. So therefore we can say S is equal to k upon t square. Okay, so where k constant, where k is constant. So we can write what? Therefore st square is equal to k. Okay, st square is equal to k is the equation of variation, is the equation of variation. Is the equation of variation. Now substituting s is equal to 4, t is equal to 5. So what will be there? S is equal to 4 and t is equal to 5. You have to put, and this is the equation 1. Okay, so substituting s is equal to 4 and t is equal to 5. So what will be there? Therefore 4 into t square means 5 square is equal to k. So therefore 4 into 5 square, that is what? 25 is equal to k. Therefore 4 into 25, that is what? 100 is equal to k. Clear? So 100 is equal to k. This is what? This is the constant of variation. Constant of variation. Okay. Now you substitute the value of k in the equation 1. Now because you have to find out equation also. This is st square is equal to k. This you find out, but here you have to actually put the value of k na. Okay, so now substituting now substituting value of k in equation 1. So in equation 1, if you are putting, so therefore what will be there? st square is equal to k. K is what? 100. Okay, st square is equal to 100. So this is the equation of variation. Okay, this is the final answer. Clear? These both we got. So this fully completed. Now we come to next. Next is what? That is next is here fourth part. Its fourth part is there. Fourth part is what? X proportional 1 upon root y. Clear? So fourth part is there. X proportional 1 upon root y. Therefore x is equal to k upon root y. Clear? Where k is constant. Clear? K is a constant. Now therefore x root y is equal to k is the equation of variation. Clear? This is the equation of variation.